Last video, we talked about dynamic knee valgus and how historical research shows that it may be problematic for overall knee health, but that modern research is starting to call that into question. In this video, I'm going to use gait and the front squat to demonstrate how some dynamic knee valgus can be a normal part of how we move and a necessary part of producing force and creating movement. Let's dive in. On heel striking gait, as we decelerate the body, the leg moves into external rotation. The foot is in supination and plantar flexion. The tibia, femur, and hip above all move into external rotation. This allows us to accept load prior to transfer. In mid-stance, where we begin to create force, everything moves into internal rotation. The foot pronates and dorsiflexes. The tibia, femur, and hip follow suit into internal rotation. In late stance, as we finish the gait cycle, the leg moves back into external rotation. The foot resupinates. The tibia, femur, and hip are all in external rotation on toe off. This process of moving from external rotation to internal rotation and back to external rotation is mirrored when we squat. Let's check it out. On the eccentric portion of the lift, as we control the load into the hole, we maintain external rotation. If we do see quote-unquote uncontrolled knees caving in during this portion of the lift, it might indicate further assessment is needed for that individual. At about 110 degrees of hip flexion, the knees start to move into internal rotation as we produce force. This is most likely due to the role of adductor madness gaining leverage over the movement to aid in extending the hip as we stand up. This is completely normal. If you want to learn more, this study does a great job of diving into the details of the mechanisms behind dynamic knee valgus in relation to the squat. Happy lifting!